Hi, hello everyone. This is Vani. I have completed my BE BEd. I'm working as a maths and physical science teacher in school from the past 7 years, and I'm passionate to do the maths, and even I'll enjoy teaching the maths. So that made me this interest to do this video that maths should be done by everyone easily. So my goal or my agenda is that everyone should do the maths in easiest way. So before doing that in easiest way, how to do the maths, first we have to know the difficulties, right? What are the difficulties we are facing to do the maths? So in that, the first, according to my experience, whatever the teaching experience I'm having, what are the difficulties we will be facing while doing the maths? No, that all I have gathered an information that I'm going to express you. I'll share my feelings with you all. That is the first one is by seeing the maths itself, we feel like, Amma, what is this number? Suppose I'll give you one number like this. Root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Now if we ask you to solve this, what you people will say? Amma, what is this? What is this actually? If we don't know the terminologies, whatever the content we are using, then we are unable to solve this problem, right? That is called weak foundation. Okay. What is our first difficulty is what? Weak foundation. Actually, under the weak foundation is what we will be learning from our childhood, like what addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the tables, which are the most important thing in our to do maths, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and the most one is what the tables. Without this, we are unable to do maths at all, right? So we have to be perfect in this core. Clear? And the second one comes lack of understanding. What is our second one? That is what the lack of understanding. Suppose, now I am very weak in maths, right? I don't know even addition, subtraction, multiplication also. Then what I should do? I should learn step by step. I should learn, right? Well, while learning in the process also, if I didn't understand the concept in the first attempt, then I have to again go through. In the second attempt, I should again go through in the third attempt, which will help us in understanding the concept. Without understanding the concept, we are unable to do anything in the maths. Here we go for the third point, that is difficulty with problem solving. See, what is that means? We know how to do the addition, right? Now if I write like this, 23 plus 43, we can do it, right? But the same question, if I asked you, like, if a person is having a 23 chocolates and his friend is having 43 chocolates, how many of them are having in total? It's coming, right? In the same thing, we have related into some other thing like a word problem we are coming. But the same concept, I know how to do the addition. But coming to the word problem, we are unable to do it. That is the problem, whatever we are facing here. So we have to come out of it too. And the next one, fourth one is visual spatial skills. See, the same. Here also. Like we are unable to compare the maths with our day-to-day life. And whatever linear equation I have given you, 2x plus y is equal to 0. Now I ask you to represent A on the graph. Now what is again a graph? So right, we should know the content. Then only we are going to be doing it. Now we go to the next point. That is, fifth one is learning style. Yeah, everyone will be having their own way of learning, right? Some will be understand the things by audio. Some will be understand the things by visual, right? That is what they will be having their own different styles of learning. And the next one, sixth one is insufficient practice. See, this one is very important. When we are not having a practice of doing the maths, we cannot do anything here. So whatever the weak foundation, if we have a weak foundation, we can come out of it by doing a practice. So everything can be achieved in the maths by practicing the content. I have understand the content beforehand only. Then without the practice, by tomorrow I'll forget the content too. Clear? We have to understand the content first. And the next, but not the least, it is the most important thing, that is fear and anxiety. See, I know the maths, I know the content, I know the method, everything I know. But As soon as I see the problem, I'll get some sort of fear by saying, how should I do it? With that fear and anxiety itself, I'll forget total problem itself. And without that, I am not going to do anything at all. Here we go through all the points once on the board. Okay, the first one, weak foundation, lack of understanding, difficulty in problem solving, visual spatial skills, learning styles, insufficient practice, fear and anxiety. So, in my view, these are all the problems, whatever the difficulties we are facing in doing the maths, right? So, I am here to help you out in doing the maths in the easiest way. So, I'll give you a support and a confidence and an encouragement to you all to help you out to do the maths in the easiest way. So, if you people are having any queries up to now, you can comment me. My next video will be on additions. Stay tuned, Vani Vision.